Good morning, children. Today, Friday, you have your class for environmental studies. Environmental studies. In environmental studies, you will be having nice, interesting topics. You will be learning about birds, you will be learning about insects, plants, and about yourself with nature. Today, 7/8/2020, for both class 1 and 2, we have environmental studies. So let's go to the lesson, children. What we are going to study today is animal kingdom. We are studying about animal kingdom. In this lesson, for both class 1st and 2nd, we are going to study various names of the animal, their uses, and how they eat their food, what are their house shelters, and so many other things. You children also can go with your help of your parents to book like encyclopedia and other beautiful websites or Discovery Channel you can watch, children. You get lot of informations about these animals. Now children, I have already told you in the last lesson, we are studying animals wild, we are studying animals domestic. We also studied animals with their uses and their food habits. Now let's look into the pictures of some of the animals who walk on their 4 legs. And they are having their food both in the wild, like they eat grass, the wild animals. There are animals who eat the flesh of the other animals. Then we have birds. So before going into birds, look at the picture of these wild animals and the domestic animals. There are domestic animals, children, you have studied, I don't know, you are not seeing cat, dog, then buffalo, goat, sheep, so many things. You can see that in the animal kingdom, the domestic animal very known is a cow. And the uses of the cow is very useful for milk, meat, and so many other things. Okay, then in the wild animals, there are many other animals, children. You have seen tiger, you have seen lion, and so many other animals in the zoo, but we are not staying with them, isn't it? Here is another animal which you must have seen in temples or somewhere in the zoo, elephant. You will also see the baby elephant with it. Isn't it so sweet she looks? Then we have animals like which are used for carriers, like used for cart. We use it for taking people and load from one place to another. So like that we have horse. Also we use donkeys also, but you must have seen horse and camel. Camels are used in the desert. So this is the animals that are found and you have seen. The next we look at also animal kingdom. The next, birds. Now children, very common birds you have seen is crow. Isn't it? Black color, and it comes early morning. Then also you must have seen parrot. Parrot are in the house, they keep on singing, and like cuckoo bird, they imitate, parrots imitate your sound also. They have a green color and a beak, orange or red. There are different kinds of parrots, African parrots, Amazon parrots, and so many other parrots are there. Then we have the crane. Crane, which these are all long distant birds. See, these birds, crow, they are all short distance, they are within the boundaries of our own places. You'll see the crow flying around your houses and going to the next little place. But this crane, then we have many other birds which go for food for long distance. So next we study about the insects. Now see how many things we are studying in the animal kingdom. We have now gone through the animal kingdom of animals, wild and domestic. Then we went through the birds which are house docile, and also the birds which fly for very long distance. Then now we see insects. Now children, insects also you are very familiar, children. For the first and second, the common insect you find is ant, isn't it? Ants, no, they come slowly, and you can see how many legs they have. They have 1, 2, 3. So that side 3, 6. They come and they eat all the things that you drop down, like sugar, then all these biscuits and all babies drop. So ants are found, and they are called as hard working ants because they don't stop. They are piling of food for rainy season. Then we have butterfly. You also studied in your English class, no? Second, I think 4th standard that is. Yes, sorry. So we have butterflies. Small children like you all go behind the butterflies in the garden, and you love those butterflies. You catch them, you see their colors, but don't put them in the bottles, children, because they will die. They need air to breathe, okay? Then we have the bee. Children, bee is very dangerous. It comes into your windows or into your room. You call your mummy or your teacher or your elders, "Ma, bee is inside, please." They come and chase you, the bees. So you can see the insects, they are small, they are having wings, and their legs are either 3 or sometimes 4, one side. So they'll have 3 means 6 legs, sometimes 8 legs. So this is the insect kingdom, children. Now these are the things you have been introduced today. We will look into the spellings of some which are new to your first standard and new to the second standard. Yes, children, for first standard, this is the homework for your spellings, which you will write very neatly in a sheet of paper, with the scale you will draw. And how many times you will write, children? You will write 5 times. The words I will be telling, and you will repeat it at home with your homework. When you write each word, say the spelling and write. The first word is crow. How will you write when you write at home? You will spell it C-R-O-W, crow. Then go like that 5 times. The next word is hen. The next word is fish. The next word is donkey. Next, housefly, monkey, frog, tiger, lion, cow. Okay, this is for the first standard. Now second standard, the spellings which are new to you: honey bee. Now second standard also should write just now how I explained to you. Each word when you write, spell it with your mouth, your ears will hear, and you will write and you will learn it good and faster. Write neatly. Honey bee, mosquito, cockroach, parrot, horse, peacock, snail, goat, rabbit. So this much is your homework, and the spellings also will be sent separately to you. For this time, do all your homework neatly of EVS. If you do it, you will be getting a star, otherwise I'll put a cross. Neat. Thank you. Be safe. See you next class with your further topic. Thank you, children.